How to run a 3-phase motor with a single-phase power supply. Have you ever wondered if you could power a robust 3-phase motor using just a simple single-phase power supply? Imagine the possibilities: saving costs, expanding your workspace, or empowering your DIY projects without breaking the bank. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of digital phase converters. Whether you're a passionate DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, this step-by-step guide will provide you with everything you need to know to successfully install and troubleshoot a digital phase converter. But before we begin, let's ensure you're getting exactly what you need. Choosing the right digital phase converter is pivotal. Factors such as power requirements, phase rotation, and quality ratings matter. You'll want to select a converter that matches your motor's horsepower while ensuring it can handle your operational demands. As we explore your options, consider not just the technical specifications but also the brand reliability. This choice will significantly impact your entire setup. Pay close attention to wiring diagrams. These are your best friends during installation. Now that you've selected your digital phase converter, it's time to install it. Properly connect the converter to your single-phase supply and then to your motor. Start by ensuring all power supplies are disconnected. After securing all connections, it's essential to double-check them before powering up. This meticulous preparation will save you time and headaches later on. Even with the best setup, you may encounter issues. Common problems include improper phase rotation or the motor failing to start. If you suspect incorrect wiring, consult the wiring diagram again. Additionally, be prepared to test voltage levels and check connections. Remember, safety first. Ensure your system is powered down before making adjustments. With these insights and a careful approach, you can harness the full potential of a 3-phase motor using a single-phase power supply. Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth guides and tips. Transform your projects and elevate your skills with the right knowledge. Until next time, happy DIY! For more tips on installations and troubleshooting, check out our other videos linked here and join our community of DIY enthusiasts.